Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so basically, the Meganora was a gigantic species of dragonfly that lived from the Carboniferous period, which was about 360 years ago, 360 to 300 million years ago. And yeah, they were ginormous. And the reason why they were so large and many other arthropods at the time were so large was because the oxygen levels at the time were very high, and because they didn't have any predators that preyed on them, so that's why they were so big.
Interesting. So why do you think lack of predators causes them to be smaller?